Welcome to Desilicious kitchen. This yummy cabbage recipe doesn't need any ground masala, no onion, no garlic. Simple yet delicious. So heat oil in a cooker, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, saunf or fennel seeds, methi seeds, kalonji or black seed, coriander seeds, carom seeds, red chillies, kasuri methi, and turmeric powder, red chilli powder, and add some potatoes. Cook on a high flame for 2 minutes. Add cabbage. Cook on a high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Add ginger, green chilli, amchur powder or dry mango powder, salt and sugar. Mix it well. And here, remember, do not add any water. Allow just one whistle on a high flame. When the pressure is gone, open it. It's cooked so well and there is no water remaining. In case there is water, then cook without lid on a high flame for just a few minutes. That's it, done. Do try it out. Friends, hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, press the like button, subscribe if you haven't, leave us a comment. Thank you so much for watching.